We hope everyone is safe, healthy, and sheltered at home during this unprecedented time. If you're viewing this message on your Facebook feed, you most likely have a Ford with a safety recall, or you're a current customer of our dealership. As an essential business, we've remained open during this time to provide our community and our first responders the ability to keep their vehicles maintained and running properly. For our team members that fall into the high-risk category or have children to care for, they're safe at home with their families. Members of our sales team not at home have been helping our service department to expand our ability to pick up and deliver for our customers whose vehicles need attention. We have access to all the parts and the ability to complete the safety recall repairs, maintenance on your vehicles, and anything else you may need. We'll pick up your vehicle at home, bring it back to the dealership, communicate repair estimates over the phone, email, or text, complete all the repairs, and return the vehicle back to you. Upon completion, our team will bring a disinfectant kit with them and clean all the touch points of the vehicle. The pickup and the delivery is free of charge, so our customers may remain home and shelter in place. If you're in need of service, think you have a safety recall that needs to be completed, or just want us to check and see if you have an open recall on your Ford, either message us on Facebook, email us at pricefordofturlock@gmail.com, or call us at the number below and we'll make all the arrangements. Thank you for the team at Price Ford of Turlock, and please let us know if we can be of any assistance.